Happy hump day, everybody. Welcome to the LashawnTerry show. So I am meal prepping. I didn't meal prep yesterday. Um, kind of just got busy late in the day and didn't really feel like it. Just made up my hamburgers. So anyway, you might say these are hamburgers too. They are. They're more like sausage patty burgers. I don't know. But anywho, this is some patties, meat patties from Inspire Farms that has the sweet Italian sausage in it. And I'm just making them up now. So I put, these are all 4 ounces, quarter of a pound patties that I'm going to make. Right here, I have some chicken tenderloins that I seasoned up and everything yesterday and just left them in the fridge. And I don't think I'm going to bread these. I think I'm just going to pan fry them. And this, I got this off of Amazon. I do like it. Cooks really good. And I also got this butcher paper off of Amazon as well. So it's better than using the parchment paper because this is a butcher's paper that you can freeze. You can cook on it too, but it says at temperature of 300 degrees and lower. So I don't cook on this. I'm just using it for, when I prep my foods and put them in the freezer for the most part. And my pork belly is done. So this is it. It is. So all I have to do, you see how juicy that is? All I have to do is cut it up. And what I used on this is the Redmond's Real smoked hickory sauce and some garlic powder, some smoked garlic powder. So that's what I used on this pork belly. For these patties, you really don't need a lot of salt because the sausage is already pretty seasoned. But I did sprinkle a little bit of Redmond's Real salt, just the regular one, in it and mixed it up. And then for my chicken tenderloins, I used this shawarma seasoning. I love chicken shawarma. I usually buy it already done from Trader Joe's. But I saw that they had, I think I got this from Sprouts, that they had a shawarma seasoning. So that's what I sprinkled on this, is the shawarma and then a little bit of plain Redmond's Real salt, just in case it didn't have a salty enough taste. So yeah, so today is day 1. Of course, I already done failed because I didn't eat breakfast. I didn't go to bed till late. I had to take my son back to the airport for him to get back to school. I came back, I made me a banana keto chow, and I drunk probably a little over half until I didn't want no more after because I had dinner around, I don't know, around 7:30. So I was stuffed on the way to taking my son to the airport, but my stuffness started to go away coming back. So I said I'll make me a keto chow because it was after midnight and I didn't want to be laying on my stomach anything heavy that take 3 hours to fully digest. But I just had a keto chow and I didn't even drink all of it. I left probably like a fourth of it and I just dumped it out this morning. So I'm going to eat soon. My pork belly is done, so I'm going to do a pork belly, and then I got this flattened out, so I'm going to throw this in the pan, put a little bit of this in there just to give it some fat to cook on. It probably don't need any, but I'm going to just put a tiny bit in there anyways, and then cut a couple of pieces on my pork belly and go from there. Probably about 3:30, 4 o'clock, I'll go for a walk Normally I go to the track and walk, but I'm gonna just walk around my neighborhood. I really don't have to do that. I'm gonna just walk around my neighborhood and come back, and then I'll eat dinner, which I'm gonna make it kind of light. And so I'm gonna do some chicken breast, these chicken tenderloins right here. And I'm thinking I'm gonna make a lemon cream sauce, so I have to go to the store to get some heavy cream. And go from there. I might even go to the Inspire Farms to get me some more duck eggs. I have to see. Let me see what I'm gonna do and I'll call y'all back. Bye. So I am finished for the most part. This is my pork belly. I always cut it up after it's cooked. It came out perfect. This is what I'm gonna eat from now. This is a little bit over 4 ounces of the burger sausage patty, and then this is 3 pieces of pork belly in there. So I'm gonna cover this up, leave it on the counter. I did all of my hamburgers, all of my burger patties, burger sausage patties. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer, and I'll do the chicken when I get back. I'm gonna do a lemon cream sauce on the chicken. I gotta go get heavy cream and I'll get some more eggs. So I'll see y'all later. Bye. So I'm back from running my errands. I went to Inspire Farms. I wanted to get some more eggs because I ran out. They didn't have any more duck eggs. Their ducks are not producing right now because it's so hot, but she said maybe next week. But I like their duck eggs. So I got 2 dozen of the duck eggs. I got a jar of their raw cream. And then they had these in there. The 2 times that I had went, I guess people bought them all out, but they managed to have 2 left. And I wanted to try them, so I bought both. They had 2 left, and so I bought both dozens of the quail eggs. And at Costco's, I got a case of San Pellegrino in the glass jars. You get 15 of that size, this size, for 20 bucks. And then I got 2 bags of ice, which is 16 pounds for $1.79. They charge at the stores here like 2 something for I think it's a 7-pound bag. So yeah. The only thing is with these ice, because I only have 1 deep freezer and it's so full, these are too big, and I don't have a lot of room in my freezer or my refrigerator, so I will only be able to buy 1 of these, like if I went shopping. But anywho, I'm just gonna go chill out today. My knee is hurting me. I was so nauseous after I ate that one meal, that 1 patty, sausage beef patty, and those 3 pieces of what you call them thing, pork belly. Oh my goodness, on the way to the Inspire Farms. I was so nauseous, I thought I was gonna have to throw up, but my stomach settled. I'm not sure it's because, you know, I ate at a time that I normally don't eat. For years I've been doing that, even when I wasn't eating right. I still always fasted, intermittent fasting. I just wasn't a breakfast or lunch person unless I was going to meet a friend or something like that. But my stomach is feeling better, but I just don't feel like getting out there. My knee is bothering me, and I'm gonna just pour me a nice cold glass of San Pellegrino and go watch TV. So I'll be back later with dinner. These quail eggs. I don't know how many I'm about to fix. This is my first time having quail eggs. I got them from Inspire Farms. So it's a dozen. I'm gonna cook them up. So here I have my dinner. My stomach finally started to act right. I have 6 quail eggs. There's 3 quail eggs in each batter, in each circle. You know that quail eggs are really small. And then I have 5 chicken shawarma tenderloins. And then I made my lemon cream sauce. in there to dip my chicken in. But so that's for dinner. If I want anything else, I may just make me a keto chow. So I'll go from there. Until next time, peace. Everybody have a good night.